Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Gaano kayo ka-excited sa 2026?
Marami akong gustong gawin. Gusto ko mag-direct, Tito Boy. Gusto kong sundan ang mga yapak ng isang Bella Padilla.
Grabe siya.
Ganda nga eh.
Yeah. Tapos syempre, excited for the movie.
Yeah.
You've always wanted to direct.
Yes, Tito Boy.
That will happen. Diba? You say
Yeah.
it and it happens.
Yes.
Kaya lagi kong binabato sa universe.
What are you looking forward to in 2026?
2026 kasi Tito Boy feels like a fresh start for me. Parang 2025 was parang purging year for me, I feel. I had to let go of a lot of things, started fresh again, revisiting yung 2025 ko din po. Yeah. And then we shot this film, so reunion project for us also, which was very therapeutic, I feel. Like in my personal life, I was going through a lot before we started Special Memory, so nalabas ko lahat sa Special Memory.
Why is this important to you?
When I heard of this one, I really asked for this project, Tito Boy. But this was years and years ago, before the pandemic started. And I heard they gave it to someone else. They gave it pa to someone
Bea
else.
Alden.
Yeah.
Alam naman ng marami yan.
Yes. And then when Bea and Alden didn't do it, it went pa ulit to someone else.
This one, you asked for this. Gusto ko ito.
Over and over. Kasi when I watched this
Over.
for the first time, Tito Boy, I was on the plane and I cried so much. Like, it wrecked me. I've seen different adaptations of this and hindi ko po siya makalimutan. For someone na makakalimutin dito
For someone, sa pelikulang ito.
sa pelikulang ito, for someone na nakalimutan niya lahat, hindi ko makalimutan tong pelikulang to. So, it's a movie about not remembering, but I could not forget it. So, I said, I have to do this
That's
movie.
the irony of it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and tama si Carlo. I guess if you say it enough, the universe will decide if it's yours or not.
Your attitude towards the movie, you didn't fight the way Bella fought for it.
He was just given the parts.
Hindi. Last, parang...
Hinintay pa namin to.
Last year.
Nadinig ko rin
parang-
yun.
Yeah,
Talaga
hinintay
ba?
ko.
Hindi,
Yes.
Hindi,
We waited
Inantay
for
ka raw
months.
dahil naniniwala ang mga bosses na it had to be.
Hindi kasi
Carlo.
natatakot din ako na gawin, Tito Boy. Kasi
Natatakot ka dahil?
sobrang hirap kaya nito.
And no one else could do it, I have to say.
Ang hirap arte nun kasi ang Alzheimer's kasi merong, di ba, stages eh. Years and years yan eh. Yung unang part, malalaman mo pa lang, tapos yung stage na unti-unti.
Accepting it.
Oo, tsaka hindi lang 2 years, hindi lang, iba-iba yan eh. May 5 years, tapos i-compress mo sa 1.5 hours. So
Right.
yung emotions na kailangan para dun sa character, hindi lang ito eh. Kumbaga, ang dami niyang hinihingi. Kaya takot na takot ako. Tapos, syempre pero nung binabasa ko yung script ni Sir Ricky,
And this is written by national artist Ricky Lee.
Oo.
Gusto ko lang, directed by Jerry Sinene.
Oo, kaya takot na takot ako. Yung auntie ko, na nawala siya, tapos nagka-Alzheimer siya. So sabi ko, gagawin ko to for her. Kapatid,
Oh.
kapatid
I didn't know
Ganda naman.
nung dad ko.
Ako naiintindihan ko ito. And I somehow understand, when you talk about Alzheimer's, dementia, I took care of my mother, who
Yes.
had dementia. Alzheimer's, kung hindi ho ako nagkakamali, is a kind of dementia. When nanay was still alive, we would do research. The youngest Alzheimer's case was 19 years old.
Yeah.
Nung panahon ng nanay, nasa 56, 57 pa eh.
And ang naririnig po natin lagi ng cases is parang for older people ang
Tama
Alzheimer's.
naman.
Yeah.
Oo. Pero
But
hindi
ngayon
rin.
may early onset Alzheimer's po, di ba? So, yun nga, pabata ng pabata po yung nade-diagnose.
So it's about forgetting, it's about remembering, it's about love, it's about life. What is it about?
Memories talaga eh. Making
Memories of what?
Small.
That cover life.
I think one of the beauties also of the film is parang we showed not just happy moments. It's very real kasi parang they showed also the bad parts of a relationship. So, for instance, diba, if a partner gets sick, it becomes difficult towards the end, diba? And you start hurting each other. So, for me, that's some of the most beautiful scenes in the film.
Sinasabi ng mga doktor namin noon, mahirap yung sakit, pero mas mahirap doon sa nag-aalaga.
Yeah.
Kasi it came to a point when she didn't understand anymore. I mean, she didn't know what was happening. Pero hindi ka lang makilala, halimbawa, ng asawa mo, ng kapatid mo.
Sakit.
Sobra.
Tsaka wala kang laban. Yun
Wala.
yung unti-unting nawawala yung buhay, pero buhay pa.
Oo.
Yun yung masakit.
Ang hirap.
Oo.
Ang hirap. Iiyak ka na lang talaga.
Lagi namin pinag-usapan sa set na grabe wala tayong kalaban dito. Ang kalaban natin is life. Ang
Right.
kontrabida namin is destiny not working for us. So, it's such a beautiful thing to tackle but so difficult kasi nga wala kaming wala po kami sinusundan na pattern.
Panunuorin ko ang pelikula. Ano ang baon ko? What's my takeaway?
You will hold on to everyone and everything you hold dearly more.
Ikaw, Carlo, talaga.
Parang mas bibigyan mo ng importansya yung oras with your loved ones.
Oo. Sabi ko nga noon, sana lang, kasi nanay, there was a time already when she would just close her eyes and then she would smile if she liked something. She wouldn't talk anymore. She was not ambulatory. Sabi ko kahit magalit, kahit ano na lang, basta ganun.
Any emotion.
Anything, magdadasal ka talaga.
Tsaka pag meron eye contact na hinahanap mo yung nasan ka?
Lucid.
Oo.
Yung
Totoo.
pagiging
Pero
lucid.
wala at all.
Totoo.
Ganun yung nangyari sa auntie ko, yung kinakausap ko. Nakikilala mo ako, Hindi, tse. Wala.
At saka you question sa umpisa, ano ka ba? Ako po yung nagkukwento ka, nagpapaliwanag ka, and you get that blank stare. And then you question. Ang dami kong tanong. Kaya, when I still had nanay reacting to me, kasi, halimbawa, pagpasok ko pa lang ng kwarto, naamoy ng perfume ko. Oo. Ngingiti yan at kakain na.
May eksena po kami ganyan.
Oo, ganon.
Malaking part po siya ng film. Ang dami pong senses na we show in the film. Like, ang laking part din po ng story ng ulan. So, yung feeling ng ulan sa balat, yung lamig, yung...
Naiiyak naman ako. Totoo yun.
Yeah. So, marami pong binuhay na senses yung pelikula. Kasi nga, ang ganda rin po kasi ng concept na what your mind forgets, your heart remembers.
Yung proseso nyo ng pag-arte, nag-evolve o ganun pa rin?
Siguro, Tito Boy, kahit na marami akong doubt sa sarili ko, mas mas balanse na. Mas alam ko na kung saan ako huhugot, alam ko na kung saan ako papunta. Siguro mas naging relax na, mas zen na yung approach ko sa acting. Kasi dati mas madami akong pressure and mas marami akong overthinking. So, mas nag-iisip ako kesa mas nakakaramdam. Which is, pag
Okay.
umaarte, hindi dapat ganun.
Your process, Bella, as an actor.
I think it changed a lot, Tito Boy. Parang I don't, personally now, I try not to use personal experiences anymore. Kasi I'm very mindful now of healing. Parang whatever I'm going through in real life, sana. I use music more. Parang I try to set the mood of my scene. Parang I think of the scoring na that I want. I imagine the whole picture already. Tapos yun nga, I even use stuff on set na anything that can affect me that's there, that's available on set. Tapos I rely heavily on my co-actor. So, the energy Carla will give for this scene is how my performance will flow also, which is how it should be because acting is only reacting eh. So, I can't go in bringing this already, not knowing yet what Carla will do.
Personal na buhay, kumusta ka? Kumusta ang bagong tatay? Kumusta ang lahat? Bago ito.
Parang mas nakita ko na ng malinaw kung ano ko talaga, kung para saan yung buhay ko. Siyempre para sa kanya na at para sa misis ko. Kumbaga, mas kaya ko ng mag-provide for my daughter and for my wife and for the family.
Kumusta si Charlie? I mean, powerful actress. Is she going back to work? Is she doing material?
Magkasama po sila sa Reconnect.
Yes.
Tapos,
But is she getting the roles that she wants to play?
Yes. Pero
Wow,
gusto niya rin
okay.
talaga Korean adaptation, yung mga ganyan, mga rom-com, kasi puro nga mabibigat yung
Na-assign sa kanya.
Oo, yung mga characters niya. Sabi niya,
Okay.
bakit wala tayong, wala akong character na medyo bubbly lang, na yung gano'n.
Yun ang hinahanap niya.
Yes.
It's not difficult to live with another actor.
Mahirap, Tito Boy, kasi may ego yan mga actor. So,
okay.
kailangan mong i-balance. Parang rin naman, parang yung normal na husband and wife, di ba? May egos din yan.
Oh naman. I've always wondered, and I want to ask you this, now that you're married, how do you stay loyal?
Ayun, bumabalik ako sa memories, dun sa mga na-build na namin, dun sa mga pinagdaanan na namin. 3 years pa lang kami, pero sobrang dami nang nangyari sa amin, Tito Boy. Talagang sa bashing, sa personal life namin. Yung binigay na piece sa akin ni April. April kasi talaga yung pangalan.
Oo, na April.
Yung mas nagkaroon ako ng goal, mas nagkaroon ako ng dreams.
Oo.
Talaga yun yung mga binabalikan ko. And sobrang at peace ako ngayon. Tsaka yun nga, nahanap ko yung balance ko, yung zen ko.
Kasi ikaw, nung bata ka pa, sobra kang ma-appeal sa mga kababaihan. Oo. Hindi nga. I know, you're not supposed to be talking about this, but we're talking about memories. And you had that reputation.
Siguro dito Boy, nag-mature na ako.
Ganda naman.
I'm a man now.
Ganda. As opposed to the boy that you were. Bella, ikaw, nasaan ka ngayon?
When I first met Norman, the night I met Norman was also the night Carlo met Norman. We were both in Switzerland. We were shooting a film. So I've known him that long. It's been a while. So I feel like the friendship will never go away. But yeah, some people nga, they're really just meant to be a chapter, I guess, in your life, or they're meant to pass through your life. I'm at peace with that naman po.
She is that. And that's really the totality of that wonderful Bella.
Thank you.
Hindi, totoo yun. I mean, because it takes a lot of strength. It takes a lot of courage to be able to do that. And a certain special maturity. It's not even just maturity, pero iba yun, di ba?
Yeah.
Iba yun. And moving on.
Yeah.
And moving forward. What excites you in the personal department right now?
Right now, I'm not worried because I genuinely like what I'm doing. But yun nga, I'm not putting any attention right now to my personal life, which is okay with me. Recently nga, Tito Boy, I spoke to Luis Manzano for his vlog. And nakita ko may isang nag-comment na parang, kasi the interview was about the industry. It was a in-depth conversation about how things are working and not working right now, right? So lahat ng comments were about the industry, and then there was one person who wrote parang, sayang to, no? Wala siyang relationship na nag-work. Yun na lang yung kulang sa kanya. And parang I thought to myself, why is being in a relationship such a no-no for a Filipino woman? Diba? Parang why is not being able to hold on to a relationship only the problem of the woman also?
Right.
And I don't see my relationship with Norman as a failure. In fact, it served its purpose for me and for him. So I don't see the ending of our relationship as something bad. It just served its purpose already.
Tama. Sasagutin ko lang yung bakit ganun na lang ang view nila na ang galing-galing naman niya pero kulang na lang siya ng... It's highly cultural.
It is.
It's highly cultural.
Filipino culture.
The fight of women for the rightful place continues.
Yeah.
Of course, naniniwala tayo na malayo na ang narating, pero malayo pa rin ang pupuntahan.
Super.
Na para bagang iba ang trato nun kung lalaki. Di ba?
Parang, oh, sino kaya next nito? It's always that, like, who's he moving on to?
The framing of the question is different.
Yeah,
As
always.
opposed to, sayang, wala siya.
Yeah.
Last question. If there is one memory that you would want to keep in a life story where you will forget everything, but you're given the privilege to retain one memory, what is it?
Ako nang pinanganak si Methi. Dito. First time ko makita si Methi.
Wow. Ikaw, Ben.
Nasa Paris. I was looking at the Seine River. It was a warm day, and I bought myself bread. Sorry.
No.
Yun.
I felt so good that day. Sabi ko, I worked hard to get here and to buy myself this bread. And I enjoyed every bite. Yeah, that's it. Sorry. Tinapay lang yung akin eh. Nakakaya. Halatang patay gutom ako. Halatang matakaw ako.
Yung tinapay na yun ay kasing halaga ni Methi.
It's the perfect day. Yeah. Uy.
Well, personally, I'm excited to watch A Special Memory, and thank you for doing the movie. Maraming salamat. And thank you for sharing your stories.
Thank you, Tito Boy.
Maraming salamat, Bella.
Hi, people of the Philippines and people of the world. Hit the button below and you will be subscribing to the Boy Abunda Talk channel on YouTube. Let's keep talking. Kaibigan, tuloy ang usap.